What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 products according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. The Rubbermaid 12-piece Brilliance Food Storage with dressing container, trays, and lids is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a convenient and efficient way to store and transport their food. This set includes a variety of containers and trays, making it perfect for lunch, meal prep, and leftovers. The Brilliance Food Storage set is made with high-quality materials, including a clear, BPA-free Tritan plastic that is dishwasher and microwave safe. The container and trays are designed with airtight, leak-proof lids that keep your food fresh and prevent spills and leaks. One unique feature of this set is the included dressing container, which is perfect for salads and other meals that require dressing. The container fits securely inside the larger containers, making it easy to transport without worrying about spills. The set also includes 2 trays, perfect for meal prep and portion control. The trays are stackable, making storing them in your refrigerator or freezer easy. The Rubbermaid 12-piece Brilliance Food Storage with designer container, trays, and lids is a great option for anyone looking for a high-quality and versatile food storage solution. With its durable materials, airtight lids, and unique features, this set is perfect for anyone who wants to simplify their meal prep and storage. GoodCook BPA-free plastic reusable meal and snack prep containers are a set of 30 containers that come in multiple sizes. These containers are perfect for storing and organizing your food in a healthy and safe way. Made from high-quality BPA-free plastic, these containers are durable, safe, and reusable. The set includes different container sizes ranging from 2.3 cups to 4.7 cups, providing the perfect size for storing everything from snacks to full meals. The containers come with tight-fitting lids that snap securely, preventing spills or leaks. These containers are not only great for meal prepping, but they are also microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. The containers can be easily reheated in the microwave or stored in the freezer for later use, making them a convenient choice for busy individuals. As such, the GoodCook BPA-free plastic reusable meal and snack prep containers are a versatile and convenient option for storing or organizing your food. With their durable construction, tight-fitting lids, and multiple sizes, these containers are an excellent investment for anyone looking to make their meal prep routine easier and more efficient. The Bentgo glass lunchbox is a high-quality food container designed to meet the needs of meal prepping and portion control meals for adults and teens. Its 5-cup capacity and divided 3-compartment design make it ideal for packing healthy and well-balanced meals on the go. The lunchbox features an airtight lid that keeps your food fresh and prevents leaks, making it perfect for transporting soups, stews, and other liquid-based foods. The tempered glass construction ensures durability and allows you to reheat your food in the microwave or oven without worrying about harmful chemicals. The sleek and modern design of the Bentgo glass lunchbox makes it an attractive addition to any lunch bag or backpack. The compact size and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, and the detachable strap allows for hands-free convenience. Overall, the Bentgo glass lunchbox is a versatile and practical food container that helps you stay on track with your healthy eating goals. It is dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and comes with a 2-year warranty, making it a reliable investment for your meal prep routine. Store and transport your food cleanly and with confidence in this OXO Good Grips 16-piece Smart Seal container set with leak-proof snap-on lids. Designed for food transportation or storing ingredients from your limited time offering menu, these containers feature an airtight and leak-proof Smart Seal. This helps your food last longer and preventing spills that could lead to cross-contamination in your kitchen. With various container sizes, you can easily pack up entrees, side dishes, and sauces. 4 locking tabs hold each lid in place, engaging the seal with optimal pressure. The durable containers are polypropylene resistant to breakage when bumped or dropped in your busy kitchen or catering business, making the most of your storage space by stacking several of these containers. When not in use, each container will also nest with others of the same size. After use, you can clean up by running the containers and lids through the dishwasher. Before washing, the leak-proof silicone seal should be removed for a thorough and sanitary cleaning. The STOJO collapsible bowl in cashmere color is the perfect meal prep container for people who are always on the go. This 36-ounce reusable silicone bowl is ideal for packing hot or cold food and is suitable for a variety of activities such as travel, meal prep, to-go lunch, camping, and hiking. The unique collapsible design of the STOJO collapsible bowl makes it incredibly easy to store and transport. The bowl collapses to just 2 inches in height, making it easy to fit in your backpack, purse, or briefcase. The silicone material is microwave and dishwasher safe, making it convenient to use and clean. The STOJO collapsible bowl is made from premium quality silicone that is free from harmful chemicals such as BPA, phthalates, and lead. The material is durable and can withstand extreme temperatures, ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The STOJO collapsible bowl is leak-proof and comes with a tight-fitting lid to prevent spills and leaks. The bowl's flat bottom makes it stable and easy to eat from, while the wide opening ensures easy access to your food. The color is an excellent investment for people who are always on the move and also need a reliable meal prep container. It is easy to use, convenient to store, and has a stylish design that looks great in any setting.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.